What's up, guys? This is Crypto with James talking to you today about Ravencoin. Now, Ravencoin has seen a massive surge in mining, and I can show you the data on that. And here's the thing, guys. I think Ravencoin is set for a significant run from this bear cycle to the next bull cycle because, well, for a plethora of reasons, but not least of which is the miners are going potty for this, and the data tells you everything you need to know. And fundamentally, miners go where the money is. Miners have invested a lot of money. If you're into their rigs, so you're going to want to pay attention to this because you'll understand exactly why I believe that there could be a hell of a surge for Ravencoin from now till the next bull cycle. Before I get into that, I update the spreadsheet. Now, these are the first 26 coins that I actually held after the 2018 crash. They're the first 26 coins I spoke about on the channel. Had you invested $100 into each of these coins when I released videos about them and you were still holding all that crypto, you'd be in profit for 10.2K. That's with doing nothing. And then you can add in your $2,600 investment, you'd be sitting on 12.8, which is not bad. But if you'd have bought them and then sold them when the markets were riding high in the previous bull cycle, you'd have been up 123K. That's profit. Add in the 2,600. Yeah, you're sitting on 126K. That is bloody good. Now, if you guys want to see the coins that I'm buying up, if you want to make these kind of profits, then come check out Copy My Crypto. It's where I share everything I'm doing. Phantom tops that list. It made a 677 times gain. I did a Udemy course for $20 telling people about it. But while I narrow down my field of cryptos, the moment I find the one that I feel as confident on as I did Phantom, I'm just going to tell the members on Copy My Crypto about it. So if you want to learn what that is, you're going to want to get in on the site before I let people know. So go to the site, read the stories, and read through it. And if it resonates with you, I look forward to seeing you there, guys. Ravencoin. So it's 6.3 cents. Now, it's had a very good sort of run recently. You know, it's effectively doubled from the 3 cents region that it was at, and even below, 2.7 cents. So it's more than doubled in that space of time. Now, why? Well, look, Ethereum merge is happening. It's about 20 hours away. And miners that were mining Ethereum spent thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds or dollars on their mining rigs, on their GPU mining rigs, so that they could mine Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is no longer mineable, or will no longer be mineable very, very soon. So miners have to go where the money is. They believe Ravencoin definitely has a shot of making them a lot of money. Otherwise, they won't go there. They're not going to waste those thousands of dollars that they've spent on rigs to mine something that they don't believe long term is going to have success. So they absolutely believe in the success of Raven, and the data is obvious to see. Now, Ravencoin is obviously proof of work, and their founders are Bruce Fenton, Tron Black, and Joel Waite. What Ravencoin doesn't have is like a team. What they are a truly decentralized project, which matters. They're a Bitcoin fork. They're a scaled version of that. So there's 1,000 times the amount of the total amount of Ravencoin compared to the amount of Bitcoin. Their mining algorithm works in the same way that would work for an Ethereum rig. They're looking to solve the problem of asset transfers and trading over blockchain. So previously, if someone created an asset on Bitcoin's blockchain, it could be accidentally destroyed when someone traded the coins it was created with. Ravencoins are designed as an internal currency within the network and must be burnt in order to issue token assets on the Raven chain. And you can do assets on anything, real custodial objects like gold or physical euros, virtual goods and objects, a share of projects like stocks and securities, airline miles, or an hour of someone's wage. And the planned future versions of Ravencoin protocol will support integrated messaging and voting systems as well. Now, Ravencoin, like I said, truly decentralized, which in and of itself bodes well. In terms of development, there's not been tons. Last time there was a commit on GitHub was like 24 days ago, so it's not the most developed on project, but as you can see, here's the data, guys. So this is the Ravencoin dashboard. And as you can see, the Ravencoin difficulty has skyrocketed. And the reason for that, the mining has skyrocketed. Look at this. It's went from, even let's just go here, like 25th of July, a mining hash rate of 2.09 gigahertz. Right now, we're sitting on 7.2 gigahertz. There's over 3.5 times the miners. The mining has gone crazy. People are coming left, right, and center to mine. In fact, right now, 7.57. Estimated mining GPUs is 302,680. That's absolutely staggering. We're seeing a massive, massive flurry in terms of the amount of miners that have just started coming to them. And it's probably only set to continue because fundamentally the value is people are going to be able to make more money off of it. Miners believe it. That's why they're all flocking there. Ravencoin's got a hell of a shot of doing something special. And bear in mind, because they're a Bitcoin fork, they have their halvings as well. So their first their first halving was January 11th of 2022. So that was start of this year. The next one, 3 years, 4 months away, roughly. And then the one after that will be 7 years, 4 months away. So the second halving is going to be around 2026. Though bear in mind, the halvings are based upon the block that's hit, and as you get more miners, and as you're getting, and yes, the difficulty has to increase to counter the mining so that there's a fair distribution over the course of time, but it will probably speed things up to some degree. So it won't be that, it may not be as long as it previously was expected. And again, that kind of stuff is important because fundamentally, Ravencoin is one that has already had a doubling this month. And it's still, sitting on 6 cents right now. Its all-time high was only about 24 cents or so, I think. Yeah, around 24 cents. There's a 10 billion circulating supply as of right now. Would not be surprised to see this hit 60 cents. Would not be surprised for it to smash its previous all-time high. Because here's the thing as well. Unless any governments crush proof of work, and there's a possibility of that, but as long as proof of work stays, miners have a reason to solve these mathematical algorithms. Miners have a reason to upgrade their mining kit. And Ravencoin, along with a few others that are proof of work, are highly profitable if they believe long-term in the project, which they clearly do. And the beauty of Ravencoin is it is a proper decentralized crypto. We've seen a massive surge in their GPU mining. Someone pointed out Ravencoin does not have a team. It just users and builders and miners. Let me know when it develops some kind of team and I'm out the door. Decentralization isn't a catchphrase. It is the reason for the whole thing. We are all Satoshi. I quite like that. But that's the point. It's your project. And even Project Raven come out and go, it's your project. Use it as you wish. You've got to respect this. Like, look, they've created it with the focal point of this is a decentralized project. You can utilize it in whatever way you see fit. I'd like to see more builders arriving on Ravencoin, but right now the future looks exceptionally bright for Ravencoin. And just the GPU surge, mining surge in the past week is enough of a really strong indication that we're going to see something pretty substantial from Ravencoin in the next cycle. Second halving, 1,215 days away, it's saying. But yeah, just in the last week, you know, we've seen we've seen it double. We've seen the GPU double in terms of mining. So one to pay attention to, because miners don't waste money. They do not waste money. And a 10x from where it is right now still only puts it at 6 billion market cap. That's what at a time in the next bull cycle when we think Bitcoin will probably hit 100K, when you think Ethereum is going to hit 10K. So each of those two coins are going to have a $2 trillion market cap. So 6 billion is a drop in the ocean. I would not be surprised to see this do even more than that. Pretty incredible. And these kind of little things are worth paying attention to. Miners make money. Miners do this so that they can make money. And following them is worthwhile doing. And if you're aware of other proof of work coins, check the dashboards. Check if there's been a surge in mining. Because if there's been a surge in mining, there's a likelihood that there's going to be a surge in price over the course of time. But what do you guys think? Do you think the miners have got it right? Or do you think there's a better option out there? Or do you think I'm underestimating that it can just do a 10x? Maybe it does more. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. And if you want to see the coins I'm buying up in this bear cycle, the coins I think can have the massive, massive runs. The ones like Phantom, where I said it were 100x. Again, I'm not going to do a Udemy course. I won't be going on about it on YouTube. I'll be literally telling the members when I am happy and I'm confirmed that I'm as confident on a new coin as I am Phantom, but I'll announce it to the members that I think I've found the one that will 100x. So if you want to know what that is, go to the site, read through it. Everything's verifiable because it's all on YouTube. You can go through the old videos and see. And if it resonates with you guys, I look forward to seeing you there. Take it easy. Bye-bye.